1,000-pound aircraft. Guess what else? Not an impressive film to see Kirby or Kevin do this, but to see it happen in a helicopter, folks, right there is when almost every helicopter fails and it ends poorly. Well, with Aaron Fitzgerald this titanium hunt the BO-105 rental helicopter, not a factor for him. He's going to do some amazing things. Watch this. Looks like it's going to come up into a hammerhead. Oh, baby, right there. Beautiful.
What allows Aaron's helicopter, the BO-105, to do this stuff is in the titanium rotor head, a rigid rotor system. So it's not as comfortable as an A-Star moves around, but this is more like built like a tank truck. It was meant for EMS and military use originally, and it's just overbuilt.
It's amazing that a sort of useful helicopter in modifications and has to do this. The fact that we still carry you guys up to do what you did.
Yeah, I mean, there's no cooler helicopter jump out in the world, and I'm definitely not going to stick around he's doing that.
After everything you've done and all the stuff that you've done in your career, I've seen you do some crazy things too. I think you should be along for the ride. But honestly, my very favorite part of what Aaron Fitzgerald does is the ending. I love when he comes back to show center.
Oh, yeah, he's not a fan of the bow, but I told him we love it so much, we're never going to let him get rid of the
We
bow.
love the bow.
So as Aaron comes across here, he's able to manage his speed and energy a little different than we do in an airplane. He takes all that power and transitions it almost straight up. He doesn't have to fly the big curves when we in an airplane. As he comes around, that's a nice little loop. He's showing off. He can hear you guys when he's up there. We keep the mic once in a while. So give him a nice wave when he's upside down here. He'll see it.
Whoa, that's awesome. Going back to 1999. Review.
This is how legends are made. I made it through the dark and now I see
Yeah.
Ready, down, and roll.
As the Delta repositions for the Delta Burst, the flying skill and grace you see evolves from 70 years of technical training and thousands of hours of practice and employment.